Hello everyone, welcome to part 44 of reactjs series with Laravel for beginners. And in this video, we are going to resolve one issue that we are facing with the product price in shopping cart. Okay, so I want to tell you first, explain the issue. So we need to resolve all the issues in our React app. This is the basic React app, but we need to resolve all the issues whatever come. Okay, so here I want to show you like if I am going to add any product in our shopping cart. Okay, right now there are two products in the shopping cart, so I'm going to remove these products. Okay, so I remove these products. Now the shopping cart is empty. Now I'm going to select the one of the product once again. Okay, so see, its main price is 3150, that we have done for the listing page price. Okay, so I am also going to open the website side by side, so that it will be more clear to you that what is the issue exactly. So same product I'm going to open in the website as well. Okay, so here you can see the price is same 3150, that is fine. Okay, but once we will go to the detail page. Okay, here also we are going to the detail page, and here when we will select one of the product like small size, I'm going to select the small size. Okay, so I'm going to add the small size. Here I will select the small size and going to add this small size here into the card. Okay, so you can now check in card, the price is 3150 for the small size, but it is wrong. When you will select the small size here, the price must reduce to 720, and the medium price, the price is 810. Actually we have done one mistake in the admin panel. The small price, that is 720, must come as the main price in the admin panel. So we have added this price, just we have added this casually. Okay, at that time we have not think about it that this error can come. So we need to update the price in the admin as well. Main price we need to update every time. Give the smallest price, like the small size, whatever the minimum price of the product, give that price, not give the highest price. Okay, so here we are going to modify its price to the minimum price. Minimum price of this product is the 720, so I'm going to modify this price 720. Okay, so now it will work fine. See, I'm going to show the see, it is showing 648 because after the discount it is showing this price. Okay, so see, original price is 800, so we are going to add it like 800 here there. Okay, so it is not the 720 exactly, it is the 800. So after the discount it is showing like this, so I'm going to put here the 800. Now it must come fine, and here you can see now the price is fine, 720 rupees. Okay, but still there is one issue. If I am going to see, I'm going to remove this product once again, and I will add this product now once again. Okay, so I will go in man and going to select this one. So if I will select the medium size, okay, if I will select the medium size, then price must be of the medium size. Okay, so I'm going to select the medium size, going to checkout, and here I'm going to see the price is 720 rupees, so that is wrong. So we have selected the medium, so for medium the price is 810. So here we need to update the function to get the price from the attribute, not the main price. Okay, so here we are getting the price from the attribute price. Here you can see, so if we will select the small, then the small price will go. If we will select the medium, then the medium price will go. So we are going to resolve this issue straight away. Okay, so I'm going to update the API controller. In API controller we are adding all the functions as we have done so far, and I am going to modify the card function here, and I will also open the press controller, that is the website controller at the front, and open the card function here as well. And here get card items, or I can open the product model where we are fetching the attribute price. Okay, get discount attribute price. Okay, so this is the function that we have, the common function to get the attribute price. So far, see, in the card function we get the discount price of the product, but we need to get, that is fine for the listing page, but we need to get the attribute price. Okay, so attribute price vary with size, so this is the price that we need to pick. So for picking this, we just modify the function here like this, and also now we need to send the size, because here we need to send the size, only then we can able to get the final price of the product. Okay, so we will send here the size as well, dollar item size. Okay, so in return, see, I'm going to close this one. In return, it is sending us the final price. Okay, final price. So I am going to have the final price in this, like this. Okay, it will come up like this, final price. So I'm going to check now here. Now I'm going to refresh. Now this time the price is correct because we have selected the medium size. So the medium size product is having rupees 810. So that is fine. Rupees 810 for the medium size. And if we will go here in card, okay, then we are going to find, like, if I'm going to select this product, okay, I'm going to select the medium size for this one, add to cart, and we will also find the same price here, rupees 810 for the medium size, and here also we are having the same rupees 810 for the medium size. Okay, but still, if we will move further, like if I will go to the checkout page, it is showing the 720 price. That is wrong. It must show the 810 price. It is still showing here the main price of the product. That is wrong. We need to call the get discount attribute price function in the checkout as well. Okay, here as well we need to call in the same way, along with the dollar item here side. Okay, and here we will just get the final price. Okay, here we will get the final price, so that will resolve our issue. And anywhere else, no, I don't think so. uh, I think it is required some other place as well. See, uh, they get discount price, final price. Here also we are required to add the final price. Now it must work fine. Let's refresh once again, and this time you can see the price is rupees 810. So I'm going to add the another product. Okay, so any product we can add here, where the size varies. I'm going to check in website first. Like if I will pick this, uh, this is having only one side. Okay, I'm going to pick some other side that is having the multiple sizes. This one, this is also having one side. So let me try with this one. Okay, so see, maximum products are having the one side. Okay, so that's why we not able to find this issue earlier. Okay, but now it will work fine. See, now this product is having the two sizes. I am going to select the small is having the 1800. I am going to select the medium is having the 2700. I am going to select the medium size, okay, of this product. So I'm going to select this product. Okay, this is the product. I'm going to select its medium size, but it will not add the 1800. It will add the medium size of price. Okay, so let's add uh, here also we can show the medium size, but okay, no issue. Or we can show the prices of all the sizes. Okay, here now we can check out, and here we are getting the medium size price 2700. I am going to check in website. See, it is 2700 for the medium size, so it's fine. We able to add the correct sizes. We able to add the correct prices for the sizes. Okay, so now we can simply click on checkout, and here also you can see that we have the correct prices for the products we pick from the attributes this time. Okay, so in the next video we are going to work on our place order functionality. So please wait for the next video in which we are going to work on the COD place order functionality. Okay, COD order placement, and we are going to place the order, COD order, and the user will fill the delivery address form and click on place order. This button we will move down. Okay, place order we will move at front, and finally the order will get placed. And few of the things that we need to take care in next video while placing the order, that we will do in the next video. Okay, so please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.